Hey guys, so I had this cup and I did not like how it was going. I didn't have a plan for it. It was just sitting there for a while, so I think I'm going to do a series on cups that I have going and just wasn't really inspired and just try to make them work. So these two colors of glitters are coming from my collection soon, so I'm so excited about that. But I just did a layer of clear epoxy on top of the glitter. Then I did the words salty and lit. I have seen, I don't know what company it was or what, I think they had it on t-shirts, not really sure, but I just thought it was so cute, salty and lit. And then they did the Bible verse that goes with it, that were the salts of the earth and were the light of the earth. So it just was a really cute saying, like salty and lit, you know, because I feel like both those terms are very in right now, but just kind of turning it into a different meaning. So just put the decals on there with my tape. Just one on each side, one on the blue side and one on the golden side. So then I wanted to add on the bottom the Bible verse, so it's Matthew 5:13 through 16. I just thought it'd be cute to add this on the bottom so that people knew what I was referring to by being salty and lit. Also, I did not think to sand it down, so I'm spray painting it white first. This is just a flat white, but you can see on the bottom and then on the top edge there's like a couple little bumps where the glitter was not completely smooth. I had a brain fart and I didn't think to sand it down, so don't be like me and make sure your cup is nice and smooth if you're gonna spray paint it, because duh, it will show every little lump and bump, and we don't want that. So I did a gold ombre with the spray paint. I think it turned out really pretty, aside from the little lumpy bumpies. So don't judge me for that. I'm sorry, I know better. I spaced it, I don't know. So peeling off the decals once the paint was pretty much dry. It's still a little tacky, but yeah, peeling off those decals. See the pretty glitter peeking from underneath. And I think the bottom turned out really cool where it says Matthew. You can see both colors of glitter. I just think it looked so cool. But again, you can see the lumps. I'm sorry. I don't know what else to say. I hate it. Okay, so adding another layer of epoxy. It's not a cheat glitter because that is trademarked or copyrighted or something by someone else. So it is a glitter that you can put over anything and you can see underneath. So this also will be coming soon with my new glitter line. I'm so excited about it. It's so pretty. So yeah, taking off the lid, I think I did 2 layers on top of that. And there you have it. I think it turned out really cute. I'm obsessed with the white and gold ombre with the spray paint like that, and then just the really fine sparkle on top. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.